You know that moment when you open your banking app and suddenly feel like you've unlocked a secret math test you didn't study for? You're staring at numbers swiping through transactions, wondering how a quick coffee turned into a $60 day. It's that mix of panic and confusion where you swear you didn't spend that much, but somehow you did. Yeah, we've all been there. Rent is climbing faster than your coffee budget, and the memes about avocado toast guilt are starting to hit a little too close to home. You've got a side hustle, student loans, and that random expense that pops up just when you thought you were okay. It's like playing a never-ending video game where the boss fight is your bills. And somehow you're always running low on health points. For most of us, budgeting feels like this boring, complicated thing that's only for responsible adults. You picture spreadsheets, calculators, and maybe your dad in cargo shorts explaining compound interest for the fifth time. No wonder it feels like something you'll get to later. It doesn't exactly scream fun. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. What if I told you there's a way to budget that doesn't feel like homework and actually works with your busy, fun life? No spreadsheets, no strict rules, no guilt trips. Just a simple, lazy-friendly method that keeps you in control without sucking the joy out of your days. That's what we're diving into today. What if I told you budgeting could be as easy as scrolling TikTok and take less time than deciding what to binge watch tonight? Hi, I'm Sophia, and welcome to Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Hit that subscribe button so your wallet starts working for you instead of ghosting you. Quick note, I'm not your financial advisor. This is for education and good vibes only. Here's what we're doing today. I'm breaking down the lazy girl method into easy steps you can start tonight. Stay with me. By the end, you'll have a budget you'll actually use without giving up your life. Budgeting isn't about cutting out everything fun. It's about making sure you have the energy and money for what matters most. Think of it like your phone's battery saver. You still use it, but wisely. You're not saying no forever, just choosing when to say yes. This way, your goals don't get drained before you reach them. A traditional budget can feel like a strict teacher breathing down your neck. You know, that vibe where you're afraid to spend even on coffee. But the lazy girl budget? It's more like a chill friend who reminds you to save but still cheers you on for little treats. It's freedom, but with a safety net. Even Zendaya, early in her career, chose to live with her parents to save money. She wasn't broke, she just knew her priorities. She focused on her craft and goals instead of spending just because she could. That's the real power move, using money to fuel dreams, not just purchases. Your budget should feel like an adventure map, guiding you to the treasures you really want. There will be detours and pit stops, and that's okay. The key is to keep moving toward your big prize. That's the lazy girl way. Smart, fun, and totally doable. Sometimes, all it takes is one quick check to make sure your money is in a good place. Think of it like glancing in a mirror before heading out. You don't need perfection, just peace of mind. Step 1. Open your banking app. Just see what's coming in and what's going out. No deep dive yet, just a quick peek to keep your brain in the loop. Look at 3 things only: your income, your essentials, and your fun money. That's it. Keep it light, like checking if your shoes match your outfit. You're not trying to solve everything right now. This is just your quick mirror check so you can step out into the world feeling ready and confident. Money feels complicated until you break it into just 3 buckets. Think of it like laundry lights, darks, and that mysterious pile you'll deal with later. It's a way to keep things simple, even when life feels messy. And trust me, this method actually works. The first bucket is needs, your rent, groceries, and the boring but essential stuff. Without this bucket, life can fall apart fast. So it's like the sturdy boots you wear on every adventure, unexciting but absolutely necessary. You fill this bucket first, always. The second bucket is wants, the fun stuff. Concert tickets, cute clothes, maybe that bubble tea addiction you're not ready to quit. This is your treasure chest for making life feel alive and colorful. And the last bucket is future me, your savings, investments, and big dreams. This is the map that leads you to the life you want. It's the most magical bucket of all because it turns your today's discipline into tomorrow's freedom. Think about setting your coffee machine the night before. You wake up and it's already done. No effort, no stress. That's the same magic we can bring to your money. You set it once, and it keeps working for you. You don't need to remember to transfer money every month. Your accounts can do it automatically, like clockwork. It's like having a financial sidekick who never takes a day off. That's peace of mind you can sip your coffee to. The trick is to set it up once, like programming your coffee maker, and then forget about it. You'll be amazed how quickly your goals fill up without you lifting a finger. It's the ultimate lazy but smart move. This is how you free your brain for the fun stuff. You let tech handle the boring parts so you can focus on living your best life. Because your budget should work for you, not the other way around. Imagine giving yourself a $20 hall pass every week. No guilt, no explanations needed. It's like a tiny escape hatch in your budget, just for joy. That money is yours to spend on whatever makes you smile, without the usual mental debate. Think of it as financial self-care that fits in your pocket. Think of it like your personal fun fund. It's not about being reckless. It's about making space for tiny luxuries that make life more colorful. A coffee with a friend, a cute plant for your desk, or that thrifted jacket you've been eyeing. It's your way of telling yourself, I deserve this. Even celebrities keep it real. Jennifer Lawrence has said she still clips coupons sometimes. It's proof that balancing fun and frugality isn't just for broke college kids. It's a skill that keeps your money working while your joy stays intact. And honestly, it's way more satisfying than you'd think. So here's your challenge. Set aside $20 this week and spend it on pure joy. Don't track it, don't justify it, just enjoy it. This tiny rule makes your budget feel like freedom, not a cage. And that's when saving actually becomes sustainable. Every month is a fresh start, like flipping to a clean new page in your life. You're not stuck with last month's choices. You get to upgrade, adjust, and set new intentions. Think of it like hitting a big glowing reset button. It's your chance to make this month even better than the last. Just like cleaning out your closet, you look at what still works, toss what doesn't, and make space for what's next. It's about keeping your financial life light and uncluttered so you can move forward without baggage. That way, every month feels fresh instead of stressful. And honestly, decluttering feels really, really good. Serena Williams has said she resets her goals monthly to stay sharp and motivated. It's a reminder that even champions don't just set goals once they revisit and refine them. That way, their energy stays fresh and focused. You can bring that same champion mindset to your money. So grab your calendar, mark the date, and treat your money reset like a mini adventure. Adjust, celebrate, and plan your next moves with energy. This way, your financial journey feels exciting, not exhausting. Every month, you get to be the hero of your own story. Budgeting doesn't have to feel like a boring chore. Imagine it as building your own treasure map. Every dollar is a clue that leads you closer to your dream life. The trick is making the map so fun you actually want to follow it. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Think of it like making a Pinterest board for your money. The more colorful and inspiring it is, the more you'll want to check in on it every day. Your savings goal isn't just a number, it's a picture of your dream life in the making. And every update feels like adding another perfect pin. Lily Singh once imagined her dream home long before she could afford it. She kept that vision alive with pictures, colors, and details so vivid they felt real. And when she finally walked into that home, it was like stepping into a dream she had already visited 1,000 times. That's the power of visualization. So here's your mission: turn your budget into a visual adventure. Make mood boards, track your progress with colorful bars, and surround yourself with images that make you excited to save. Because when your money journey feels like an epic quest, you'll never want to stop playing. Let's do a quick run-through of the Lazy Girl Method steps. Track your spending. Set realistic categories, automate savings, review weekly, and adjust without guilt. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom and control in a way that works for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and share this with your bestie who always says, I'm broke, but never checks her account. Drop in the comments. What's your #1 lazy budget tip that works for you? I'm Sophia from Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Until next time, remember, your money should work for you, not stress you out.